Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas Freddy in Fredbear's Mega Roleplay. To begin, you'll need to ensure you're actively participating in the game's annual winter holiday event. This festive period usually spans about 3 to 4 weeks, offering unique challenges and rewards. Make sure your game is fully updated to access all the special event content and features. It's a fun time to explore the map and discover new secrets. So let's dive into the details of how to unlock this festive character. To earn Christmas Freddy, your main objective is to collect 25 festive tokens that are hidden throughout the game world. Keep an eye out for these shiny tokens, as they frequently appear in beautifully decorated areas or within special holiday-themed zones. Beyond collecting, you'll also need to complete 5 unique daily holiday quests. These quests refresh every 24 hours and could range from delivering virtual gifts to other players to engaging in lively snowball fights. Consistency is key here. When searching for those elusive festive tokens, prioritize exploring the Snowy Peaks region and the vibrant Fredbears Frosty Funfair. Don't forget to thoroughly check beneath the magnificent giant Christmas tree in the main plaza. There's often a well-hidden token there. For your daily quests, simply approach the Holiday Helper non-player character, usually located conveniently near the main spawn point. Remember, a few tokens might require you to solve a quick environmental puzzle or interact with a specific festive object to reveal them. After successfully gathering all 25 festive tokens and completing your 5 daily holiday quests, your final step is to return to the Holiday Helper non-player character. Upon your return, the Holiday Helper will proudly grant you the exclusive Christmas Freddy character skin. You can then easily access your brand new skin through the character selection menu, typically found within the special category. Congratulations! Now you can fully enjoy playing as Christmas Freddy and spreading festive cheer throughout Fredbear's Mega Roleplay. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.